For centuries, humanity has dreamt of finding the fountain of youth. What if I told you that one of nature's most enigmatic compounds, something we've traditionally associated with profound mental experiences, might actually hold the key to unlocking that secret? When most of us hear about psilocybin, the magic compound in certain mushrooms, our minds naturally jump to its incredible effects on the brain. We've seen the exciting research on its potential for mental health and even neurodegenerative conditions. But what if its influence stretches far, far beyond the mind, impacting the very core mechanisms of aging and metabolic health? Get ready, because a groundbreaking new study is about to blow your mind and potentially your lifespan. Part 1. Mental health. For years, rigorous scientific research has been highlighting psilocybin's profound potential in addressing a range of mental health and neurodegenerative conditions. It's a story of a long overdue comeback for a substance that is still unfairly stigmatized. Pioneering studies from institutions like Johns Hopkins University and Imperial College London have shown astonishing results. For individuals suffering from treatment-resistant depression, for whom traditional therapies have failed, a single, carefully administered dose of psilocybin, coupled with psychological support, has led to significant and lasting reductions in depressive symptoms. We're talking about effects that can endure for weeks or even months, even after just 1 or 2 sessions. Beyond depression, psilocybin has shown incredible promise in easing anxiety and existential distress in patients facing life-threatening conditions, such as cancer. It helps foster a sense of peace, acceptance, and interconnectedness, transforming fear into profound moments of clarity. Studies have also explored its efficacy in addressing OCD, addiction, and even PTSD, offering a new paradigm where deeply ingrained negative thought patterns can be disrupted, allowing for new perspectives and emotional breakthroughs. This is often attributed to psilocybin's ability to increase neuroplasticity, the brain's capacity to form new connections and adapt. It's like resetting the brain, allowing individuals to step out of rigid mental ruts and gain fresh insights into their challenges. So this already established therapeutic power in mental health is what makes the next wave of research so exciting. Part 2. Metabolic health and longevity. At the heart of aging are these tiny protective caps at the end of our chromosomes called telomeres. Think of them like plastic tips on shoelaces. They prevent our DNA from fraying. As we age, these telomeres naturally shorten, and when they get too short, our cells enter a stage called senescence, eventually leading to cell death. This is a fundamental part of the aging process. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Prolonged stress and negative mental states can actually accelerate this telomere shortening, but on the flip side, positive mental states are linked to longer telomeres. This connection sparked what researchers are calling the psilocybin telomere hypothesis, the idea that psilocybin might slow aging by preserving telomere length. The first person to rigorously investigate this hypothesis was Dr. Kasuku Koto, an assistant professor of pulmonary medicine at Baylor University. His team's findings, published in the Nature partnering journal Aging, revealed something truly astonishing. Psilocin, the metabolized form of psilocybin, can indeed extend the lifespan of cells and even entire organisms. In their in vitro studies of human lung stem cells, low doses of psilocin significantly extended cellular lifespans, allowing them to multiply faster and for longer, and higher doses produced even more dramatic results. But what's truly fascinating are the metabolic insights they uncovered along the way. Firstly, SIRT1 activation. Psilocin-treated cells showed high levels of SIRT1, a gene that acts as a master regulator of metabolism, stress responses, and cellular aging. This is where the parallel to exercise and fasting becomes striking, because both exercise and calorie restriction, a form of fasting, are also known to activate SIRT1. This, in turn, boosts mitochondrial function, improves insulin sensitivity, and enhances cellular repair processes, all hallmarks of metabolic health and longevity. The studies also showed reduced damage. Lower levels of the GADD45A gene, which indicates DNA damage, and reduced oxidative stress were observed. Both DNA damage and oxidative stress contribute significantly to cellular aging. This suggests that psilocybin helps maintain cellular integrity, much like the protective effects we see with regular physical activity and periods of fasting, which is a pretty incredible discovery. Part 3. A systemic shift. These promising results led Dr. Kato to human skin cells, where similar anti-aging effects were observed. But the most compelling evidence came from experiments with adult mice. Treating older mice, the equivalent of 60 to 65 years old, with psilocybin once a month for 10 months led to an astounding 80% higher survival rate compared to the control groups. The mice even showed outward signs of rejuvenation, including improved fur quality and a reversal of some greying. These findings suggest that psilocybin isn't just acting on the brain, it's influencing systemic aging processes, a truly exciting prospect. Just as exercise and fasting trigger widespread metabolic adaptations that benefit the entire body, psilocybin appears to initiate a cascade of beneficial changes that resonate throughout the organism. While the exact mechanisms are still being unravelled, the emerging picture is that psilocybin may be tapping into ancient biological pathways that promote resilience and repair. This systemic impact could potentially explain its long-lasting therapeutic effects across various conditions, moving beyond mental health and influencing our overall vitality. Part 4. Beyond psilocybin. While psilocybin's metabolic potential is incredibly exciting, it's worth noting that it's not the only mushroom to show promise in the world of longevity. The activation of SIRT1, the crucial longevity gene that we just discussed, appears to be a shared superpower among several other revered medicinal fungi. Take Cordyceps, for example. Known for boosting energy and endurance, Cordyceps contains compounds like Cordycepin that significantly ramp up SIRT1 activity. This action is thought to contribute to its anti-aging effects, helping cells stay vital and robust. And then there's Reishi, often called the mushroom of immortality. Reishi is rich in polysaccharides that have shown remarkable protective effects on cells. These compounds are believed to also activate SIRT1, helping to regulate inflammation and overall cellular health. And don't forget about lion's mane, a mushroom that has been shown to promote the growth of new brain cells, just like psilocybin. While research is ongoing, lion's mane may have the ability to combat oxidative stress, suggesting it too may influence SIRT1-related pathways. The fact that these mushrooms benefit metabolism suggests that nature offers a diverse toolkit for supporting our body's intrinsic anti-aging and metabolic mechanisms, making the study of fungi even more compelling. Part 5. The magic future of longevity. The idea that a compound from magic mushrooms could mimic the metabolic advantages of exercise and fasting is nothing short of a paradigm shift. It opens up exciting avenues for research into psilocybin's potential, not only for mental well-being, but also as a powerful tool in promoting healthy aging and metabolic health. While much more research is needed, these early findings offer a tantalizing glimpse into a future where psilocybin could play a role in unlocking our intrinsic capacity for longevity and vitality. What do you think about the potential of psilocybin to influence our metabolic health in ways similar to exercise and fasting? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mushies for more fascinating fungal insights,